Welcome back to my channel. This is Pro Gamer Army guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set the legendariest custom HUD guys. So guys, this is a custom HUD which normal people have guys. So what we have to do in this custom HUD and how to play like a pro, and even we can do a one tap easily guys with the help of how to set your custom HUD guys perfectly. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Pro Gamer Army guys. So guys, first tip of custom HUD is that normally your bags and everything will be one sec guys. Okay, so normally your bag and everything will be here guys. One sec. So guys, your bag and everything will be here, and so what you have to do guys for the first custom HUD is you should keep your bag at this side guys. So at this side you can actually so this is more comfortable place to keep your bag guys. If you keep your bag here, you can even turn around guys. I'll show you that in the ending. How do we do that? So in the end of the video guys, so you have to keep your bag here. It's a very comfortable position. And guys, for one tap shot, like all pro players do, like this is how we have to shoot one tap shot guys. So we have to try to maximum decrease our shoot button guys. Maximum, I keep it at 40 and play guys. And that was tip number 2 guys. I'll show you all this. So tip number 3 is about your glue wall and grenade stuff guys. So most of your people keep it here itself. You can even keep it here guys, but I prefer here because from a long time I'm keeping it like that. So guys, you should keep your glue wall as big as possible guys, as big as possible. So while you touch the glue wall, it should come the next second guys. So that is how so the enemy will not get enough time to shoot you guys. So this is the third tip guys. And the last and final tip is one of the legendary tips that, like guys, that so many pro players just rush at a very large speed. So how you're supposed to rush is that you have to increase this one guys. So you have to increase the gun changing thing so it doesn't recoil much. And guys, so while we rush, pro players can just hold their bat and rush, and while they come close to the enemy, they can just take a gun very fast and easily, and they can shoot guys. So this was one of the biggest tips of custom HUD guys. So guys, now I will show you how the custom HUD works guys. So let's go guys. So guys, this is our first custom HUD guys. So I'm in tip number 1 guys. So right now I'm in training zone guys, so to show you guys the tip. So guys, I told you that you should keep your bag at this side now guys. So you can see the bag right now here. So I'm going to show you just guys, when you're looting, in case you're looting right now, and this place is this mat is a loot box, and you're looting here. So right now you turn and loot right guys. You just keep turning around so no enemies can give you a headshot or no enemies can shoot you. But this is the best way guys, because now even if I open my bag guys, just you can see this guys. After opening my bag, if I keep pressing here and just turning like this, so when I turn like this and open my bag, still you can turn guys. So this is very easy way to loot guys. So it will give a lot of advantage when you loot guys. Even if enemy is shooting you from behind, you can just press the into button and press very fast guys. So but in case the bag is at this side guys, if it is in this side, you won't be able to do the same thing easily guys. So that was tip number 1. And that's a very cool tip guys. You all should follow it because it's you all can become very pro players guys by this tip. So guys, tip number 2. So guys, the tip number 2 which I was saying is one sec guys. Now I'll take a random gun. Now I'll enter training zone guys. So tip number 1 was that we can do one tap headshot very easily guys by making your shoot button very low. I can show you guys, one sec. Okay guys, that didn't go headshot. 1 second guys, one tap headshot, very easy one tap headshot. Okay guys, shit, I died. Guys, we should take little bit range. So guys, that was a one tap headshot, guys. Headshot. So guys, this is how we can do a headshot easily, guys. So guys, could you see the way I did a headshot? Because my just because my shoot button was very low, guys. So for example, right now I'll do another headshot, guys. So that's a headshot, guys. 67 headshot. Another 44 headshot, guys. So guys, try to maximum keep the shoot button as small as possible, guys. You're always supposed to play as small as possible, guys, the shoot button. So more you can do headshot, guys, and tap headshot and stuff, guys. So guys, you're supposed to keep it like that. So guys, this is the second tip. So moving on to the third tip, guys, it's about glue wall. So right now I'll just take the glue wall. So guys, moving on to the third tip, guys. The third tip is about the glue wall. So guys, right now about the glue wall, I told about the bag, about like if you sit and you can just loot like this, guys. That is the bag ability. And I told that you can do a lot of headshots in Groza. So guys, this is one of the most legendary and most important custom HUD trick, guys. So guys, right now see, guys, there's an enemy in front of me. And see, guys, how fast glue wall is going, guys. How fast is it going? Just because I made the glue wall bigger, so when my hand touches it, its sensitivity is very much, guys. So because of that kind of sensitivity, I can just keep glue wall so fast, guys. See, guys. So this is the way how you can keep glue wall so fast, guys. So fast. See, guys. Now again I'll keep him. So guys, let some enemy come in front of me. Okay, guys, I just died. Oh my god. Okay, there's enemy there. No headshot gone. Headshot. Array, yeah. So guys, so shoot, kill. See, guys, how fast I can put a glue wall, guys. So this is how you're supposed to put a glue wall, guys. Pro players and all play like this, guys. So this is the best custom HUD, guys. You also try it out, guys. If you like the video and you tried it out and you could play more better means, comment down below, guys. And if you like the video, please like the video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.